Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to test a Chatfuel bot in 2026. If you want to make sure your chatbot is working correctly before publishing it, this guide will help you test everything step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Chatfuel account. Next, select the chatbot you want to test from your dashboard. Now go to the flows or automation section where your bot conversation is built. Next, click on the preview or test bot option to start testing your chatbot. Now send sample messages like hi, help, or any trigger keywords you created. Next, check if your chatbot responds correctly with the expected messages and buttons. Now test different paths in your flow to make sure all conversation branches work properly. Next, verify that links, quick replies, and actions inside the bot are functioning as intended. Now test the bot on both desktop and mobile devices for full compatibility. Finally, fix any errors you find and publish the bot only after everything works smoothly, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to test a Chatfuel bot. Your chatbot is now ready to deliver accurate and reliable responses. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.